there. Why don't you go all the way up, Otis? Blue. How about dang?
I'm doing it.
Alright. We're gonna have the other pretty kitty try. Alright, go on, Blue. Or run away.
Caleb, come track this owl.
Oh my god, there goes another cat. Ah! Look it, Odie. Look it. Get it. Get it. It's over here, Odie. It's over here, little man. Choom, choom. Odie. Odie, look it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I'll give him a climb up it.
Choom, 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 choom. We gotta put the dart up there.
Oh, you're bogus.
You're bogus. Here, here. He's gotta. Alright. Come on, Odie. Get up there. Odie, look at the dart.
Good boy.
Oh, he's a pretty boy. Yes, you are. This is Otis. Otis the Amazing. And where's Blue? And you seen the white kitty? That's Blue the awesomeness. Yeah. Blue the Magnificent. So, but there's Odie. Or Otis the...
Awesomeness. Otis the outrageous.
Oh, yeah, that's what it is. Otis the Outrageous. Yes. Alright.
Nice.
Oh, he's gonna try to climb down. That's new.
No, you can
Alright. I think he's tired. Well, we will see you. Oh.
Guys, watch this. It's ridiculous.
You gonna jump on the treadmill? He's good on camera. Where's Blue? Blue the Beautiful. There went Blue the Beautiful. Hey, Odie.
Otis.
Otis the Outrageous. There's Blue. Otis is gonna go play with his sister. And those are the cutest kittens ever. And we'll see you guys later.